Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Excelsior are looking to stretch their lead as at sports time they were 136 for 1. On day 2 of the 3-day ISA First Global Grace Shield final against St. Jago at Sabina Park. They have a lead of 199 runs at sports time. David Duar and DeMarco Scott have so far recorded centuries, scoring half centuries, scoring 55 and 53 not out respectively. After resuming the day's play on 133 for 8, St. Jago only managed 24 more runs as they were bowled out for 157. Milton Lucane top scored with 52, with only 3 other batters getting into double figures. DeMarco Scott was the main man for Excelsior, taking 3 for 44. Tamari Redwood took 2 wickets, while there was a wicket apiece for Cavan Malcolm, Malik Miller and Michael Clark. In their second time at the crease, Excelsior have so far lost the wicket of Jamar Daly for 7. The wicket was taken by Lucane. Now, parents are once again being asked to fork out close to $300,000 as Jamaica gets set to send a 28-member team to the CARIFTA Aquatics Championships in the Bahamas. The ASAJ has so far received sponsorship from SDF, Burger King and the Indian business community, totaling approximately $5 million, but still has a significant shortfall in its close to $13 million budget. Team manager Annalise Denny says the perception around swimming in Jamaica could be a factor in why the team struggles to get funding on a yearly basis.
There may be a perception that swimmers' parents have the money. We don't need any help. I think as well that maybe we don't ask for enough. Maybe that's part of the problem. Maybe we need to ask for more and then we'll get more. And the other challenge for us is that although swimming is an individual sport, when you go to CARIFTA, you go to CCCAN, you can have a team of up to 36 swimmers.
Georgia Doman, mother of artistic swimmer Joanna Doman, can attest to the monetary burden faced by parents, and her concerns are shared by Tracy and Dwyer Thomas, whose daughter Jordana Thomas does both swimming and artistic swimming.
But I realized that we had to either fundraise or get the money ourselves for the plane ticket, which basically costs $300 per child, and that's because we got it on a sale. And now we're going to be driving to Mobile because it's cheaper. It's a cheaper ticket. And we also have the hotel fee, which is $1,400 US.
She's training 6 days for the week, which is Monday to Saturday. Only rest days on Sunday. We have to be paying pool fees, club fee for both club, swimsuit for both swimming. Mind you, as I said, they're not cheap. For artistic swimming, costumes will run us like within $100 to $180. For competitive swimming, if she's wearing the professional skins, it's like probably $90 up to like $450 per swimsuit. So it's a lot.
Jamaica's entire CARIFTA contingent is expected to be in the Bahamas by Thursday, with the swimming competition set to start on Saturday. 2 Jamaicans have been included in the CONCACAF Best 11 after the recently concluded Nations League. Defenders Michael Hector, who has been in the setup since 2015, and Dexter Lembikisa, who scored his first international goal in a 1-0 win versus Panama, have been named. Champions USA make up the majority of the team with 7 players, while Mexico has 2. Meanwhile, the final group opponent for Jamaica's Reggae Boys in the second round of the 2026 World Cup qualifying campaign was decided on Tuesday, with the British Virgin Islands joining Group E. The BVI booked their spot in the second round after beating the USVI 4-2 on penalties, following a 0-0 scoreline in regular and extra time in their return leg encounter. The teams had played to a 1-1 draw in the first leg. In addition to Jamaica, the British Virgin Islands also joined Guatemala, Dominica and the Dominican Republic as the other teams in Group E. The Reggae Boys will open their account against the Dominican Republic on June 6 at the National Stadium. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Carrie Ann?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Carrie Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.